Hey team, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to add 4 groups of numbers, and we're going to learn how to use the technique called carry. Now we begin on the left with decimal, that's base 10. This is something we already learned in grade school, but the technique must be developed here. And then we have hex, which is base 16, followed by octal, which is base 8. Then finally, at base 2, we have binary. Are you ready? Let's do this. Let us begin with the first column. We know that 9 plus 6 is 15. So that is a 10 plus a 5. Let's carry the 10. Here we have 13, 14, which is a 10 and a 4. Let's carry. And here we have 11 plus 1 is 12. We have our 10 and 2. Let's carry. Here we have 9 plus 1 is 10. Well, that's a 10 and a 0. Let's carry. And here we have a 7 plus 1 is 8. And here we have a 4 and a 1 is 5. And there's your answer for base 10. Are you ready to solve hexadecimal? Remember, the base is 16, so we carry when the base is 16. Let's begin. In our first column, you can see that we have f plus 6. Now that is 21. And 21 is actually 16 and a 5. Now what do we do with this 16? Well, we have to carry that. We put a 1 in the next column. Now E is 14. You can see that right here. And B is 11. So 25, 26. So 26 is actually 16 and a 10. But a 10 is A, so bring down your A, carry your 16. So D is 13 plus 10, 23, 24. Now what is 24? Well, we know that's a 16 and an 8. Carry your 16. Now C is 12. 12 plus 3, 15, 16. So we know that is a 16 plus a 0. Carry your 16. 1 plus b, which we know is 11, plus 2 equals 14. Since there's nothing to carry, let's just drop 14, and 14 is e. Our last column, 3 plus 1 is 4. There's nothing to carry, so the answer is 4e0, 8a5. This is our third problem, base 8 octal. Now, you see me doing all the steps, and of course you can go faster, but I go slow so everybody understands what I'm doing. So let's look at the first column. We have a 7 plus a 6. Well, we know that's 13. Now a 13 is actually an 8 and a 5. Now I'm always solving for 8 because 8 is my base. So what I want to do is I want to carry this. So you're out and you're up by 1. So that column evaluates to 5. Now our second column, we have 11 plus 1 is 12. Now we do the same thing. So we evaluate, can we get an 8 out of there? Yes. Now minus that would be a 4. What are we going to do with this 8? That's right, we're going to carry that. In our next column, we have 9 plus 1, 10. So we have 10. Can we get an 8 out of that? Yes. What's left over? 2. What are we going to do with this 8? We're going to carry that. 4 plus 3 is 7, plus 1 is 8. Well, 8 is kind of a magic number because that is our base. 0 remainder, go ahead and carry that. 3 plus 2 is 5, plus 1 is 6. There is no 8 in there. And 2 plus 1 is 3. And that's how you do octal base 8. Let us solve this base 2. Remember, we carry when we have 2 or above. So 0 plus 0 is 0. That was easy. Now 1 plus 1 is actually 2 plus 0. So bring down the 0, carry. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3 is actually 2 plus 1, carry. 1 plus 1 is 2 plus 0, carry. 2 plus 0 and carry, and then 2 plus 0 with a carry, and bring down our 1. And that's the answer for base 2 addition. I hope this video was helpful, and I hope you were able to see the pattern that we used in base 10, 16, 8, and 2 using the carry feature. If you have any questions or comments about this video, please leave them below in the comment section. If you think this video was helpful, I'd appreciate you sharing this with your friends, and if you don't mind, even give it a thumbs up. Look forward to seeing you back in my next video. Take care.